We are on chapter 2, page 57, and we are timesing mixed numbers. We are doing the example 1 at the bottom of page 57, 1 1/4 times times 1 2/3. Now, the first thing we need to do is we need to turn our mixed numbers into improper fractions, and we do that by timesing 1 times 4 to get 4, and then we add the 1. So it actually becomes 5/4, 1 times 4 plus 1, and then over here, same thing. We're going to times it by 3, 1 times 3, and then add the 2. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 is 5, and that is going to be written all over 3. Notice the denominator stay the same. 4 on the bottom, 4 on the bottom, 3 on the bottom, 3 on the bottom. And we are now timesing fractions. They're improper fractions, but they're still fractions. And then in order for us to do this, in order to times fractions, we just multiply the tops and we simply multiply the bottoms. 5 times 5 is 25, and 4 times 3 is 12. Now, we don't want to necessarily leave it 25/12 because that's an improper fraction. We always want to try to make sure we leave our improper fractions in simplest terms or into a mixed number. So essentially what we're saying is, hey, how many times does 12 go into 25 without going over? Well, you could do a little problem off to the side. You could put 25 in the box and you could put 12 outside the box, and then you would know 12 times 2 is 24. So the 2 becomes our whole number. We're saying 12 goes into 25 2 times. 25 minus 24 is 1. So the 1 is going to be the numerator over 12, which is your denominator. So our answer for 1 1/4 times 1 2/3, it would be 2 1/12. 2 1/12. Remember, when you divide, take 25 minus 24 and get 1. The 1 goes on top, and the number you're dividing by, the divisor 12, that becomes your denominator, the number on the bottom. So your answer would be 2 1/12.